Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can see the upcoming scheduled payments on the Revolut app. So let's get started. Now these are most commonly the subscription payments. So first off, if you have a subscription, just be sure to mark a transaction as a subscription. So first we would need to find a recurring transaction. So for example, this Glink one, that's a subscription. Now, once you're here, just go ahead and tap on the three dots in the upper right corner and just mark this as a subscription. I've already marked this as a subscription, so I don't have this option, but this option will be here for you. Now, once you marked a specific recurring transaction as a subscription, you can exit this, and then you will need to go to the Payments tab right here in the middle. From the Payments tab, just go ahead and tap in the upper right corner on the calendar icon, and here you would be able to see all the scheduled payments that would be taken out automatically on a set date. So as you can see, here are my subscriptions. These are the two recurring transactions that I marked as a subscription. So as you can see, if I tap on one, you would be able to see the next payment is on January 20th, 2026. Now you can also add new payments right here if you tap on new in the upper right corner and then just select each one of these. So you can find a subscription, and then let's say this ElevenLabs one I can also mark as a subscription and then just tap on continue. Now if I go back, you can see that it was added to my scheduled payments. So essentially guys, that's how you can see the upcoming scheduled payments in the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.